Kashilong All Faiths Forum Matagasni kaliakan du ikla patai kebal banyak tu. Ya kajing mi kajing ikan du kajing ki Chief Secretary jangka jalan mekhliah kabedai. Mak kajing ta kajing Sundiam hakim takhap bu jangka jalan mekhliah pada Assam. Hadi malami kajing tho bagi jing Birmingham. Ya ki skul bagi mni banbu ya kini ki turlan di kitak jangka Niam Kristan ya ki skul. Kinang lam kia tu bagi lajo banyak kan bu Chief Secretary bagi Chief Secretary arti ke jalan kali banyak kan du banyak kalimat penbaik yang dikakam. Mereka juga por ki tentu ki patma bagi nemdan kanu kajing so le clear ne kajing so dam le banyak trilang manwa ay kajing so ka jalla
Parano sistem borok kene gelong kajing khot kajing ini kajing ke south kum ki Nongialam ki Jingjia ki prefer ta ka bangi ye imlang ta ka bangi ye don kajing so tho jingmot ni dei ye kajing so ye kajing trili ni ai ke burom kajing ro yu blai namar ni ba rong ni dei ki jing thao ki jong kung jing thao ki jong play kwa yang ni bang ni boram ni bei dengan ya diang ni bei ni emlang kung ki judge benrio apa dengan jing fair ki babu kene ki long jing ni na ka social te ki Jingjia ki ba mtala wat agini men ne ga si men ne ki so te ki Jingjia ki ba sharif hoy ya to lengile kini borok ki long hi jing persiang bang thut ya ki imlang sa lang ki jami man pen shit ki brio man pen song tho pak lai ki brio ni appeal ni ya ki no shit no ngin long ki husian ba dun kam ban ngej bi thane ni dun kam ban pen ngo long ki ba pet ngor ban long ki ba husian holiday ya ke yang jongi ka tien ka kili jongi but kumno mi dei ban le shtang pa pengila ban penne ya ka jing sup ya ka jing long ka wei ha ka ga jalla ka jongi. This is our appeal to all residents of the state. Let us do our best to maintain peace and harmony in spite of the news that we hear even till yesterday, these days, what is happening now in Ribhoy, it has happened in Shillong. In spite of all this, we take it as our responsibility, responsible residents, citizens of the state, to maintain peace and harmony in our state. And we continue to work with the government. We continue to appeal to the government to do its part. Do the investigation honestly, transparently, and fairly. When government is doing its part, this will create a confidence in the minds and hearts of each and everyone. Kene kita kejing khot kejengi, kejing kentu kejengi, wadi ka Sorkar, iktik badan ke bor, mungkin apa don hang no Jingjia. Di ban shimkha dan pet in yo ye jing shisha ba le ye ta de ba hok de ba shida ba klem pet shashilian shino kani hikan ai mensin kan ai jing shlo ya ki no shlo ba kin ni ru ki le shito ban imla ha jing so ba da ki so tho tu mo jeni kala ya chifran and this peace and harmony begins. Let us begin peace and harmony from Shillong, then in the state of Meghalaya, then in the whole northeast region, and why not in the whole country? This is what India needs today. Jingjia ki ba sharif hoy ya to lengile kini borok kelong hi jing persiang bang thut ya ki imlang sa lang ki jami man pen shit ki brio man pen song tho pak lai ki brio ni appeal ni ya ki no shit no ngin long ki husian ba dun kam ban ngej bi thane ni dun kam ban pen ngo long ki ba pet ngor but ban long ki ba husian holiday ya ke yang jongi ka tien ka kili jongi but kumno ni dei ban le shtang pa pengila Nek ya ke jing sup ya ke jing yelong ke wei ha ke ga jala ke chome. Again, we continue to work with the government. We continue to appeal to the government to do its part. Do the investigation honestly, transparently, and fairly. When government is doing its part, this will create a confidence in the minds and hearts of each and everyone. Kani kita kecing kot kecingi, kecing kentu kecingi, bodi ke Sorkar, kecing badan ke board, bagi dapat don hang no kecing Jingjia, di ban Shimsha dan pet ini yo ye kecing shisha, ban jelle ye kita ada ke bahok, ada ke bashida, klem pet saksilian sino, kani ikan ai mensin kan ai jingshlo, yang inong sino, bagi niru ini leshto man imlam have a jingsop but have a jingsop to one.
Evening to all of you. Subsequent to our last meeting where many of you attended here, we decided to meet our Chief Secretary pertaining to the issues which our people were facing in the border areas with Assam, including in Bongaigaon, the incident. So we apprised the Chief Secretary that we are very much concerned and we also want that peace should prevail not only within our state but also in the border areas, and particularly the amity and brotherhood and harmony among the people of the two states, and that our people are not harassed or instigated. So the Chief Secretary informed that he is almost on a regular contact with the Chief Secretary of Assam, virtually on a day-to-day basis to monitor the situation in those areas, and particularly our people of not being intimidated or in any manner harassed in the state of Assam. So, and he assured us that in case of anything arising, he will get in touch with us, but his lines of communication with the government of Assam is open, and I'm sure that even as I speak now, he is in touch with his counterpart in Assam.